Hi, I'm Lee McGee. This is Land Rover TReK 2000, Trial 3, and this morning it is a little frosty.
Michael Parker.
Mark Grenier.
Brett Cooper.
The Automaster.
Frank Lee.
Carlos Aviles.
Kevin Ford.
Land Rover Cherry Hill.
Oscar Tabora. Chris Wayne. Raul Garcia.
Land Rover Darien. Yay!
I'm Roy Hildreth.
Jeff White.
Mark Hoffman.
Land Rover Metro
West. Yay!
Niels Demmer.
Kevin Bisworm.
Bill DiNapoli.
Land Rover Paramus.
Matt Robinson.
Carl Schaumbaugh.
Tim Harris. Land Rover BB.
Steve Usher. Chris Ferrari.
Chris Cooper. Now we go. Oh,
Land Rover Glenn.
Yeah, Land Rover Glencoe.
Approximately 700 yards.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hey, where'd you see this, Kenny?
Sesame Street.
As fast as possible, as much as possible.
Don't go so fast, ass!
As lazy as possible, as motivated as necessary.
Hey, how are you?
Gangani, bumping cowway. And that means slowly, slowly catch the monkey.
Oh, there you go. Nice job.
Roll, look, look.
Wildest thing I've ever felt.